Well, I thought it was completely safe in here, but I just had a zombie follow me in and fight, and I killed him, fortunately. Lost three of my experience points, though, in the battle, so that wasn't so good. But you can see that my hearts are depleted. My food on the right-hand side are also depleted. So to eat, and I have got a bit of food left on my hotbar there, I need to scroll along to the food, so I've got it on mutton, and the mutton is in my hand. And then I just hold down my right mouse key. Okay, and you can see that's topped up my food and my hearts just as well, because I only had the one piece of mutton. I don't know whether I've got anything else left to eat at all. I just lost quite a lot of stuff then. Okay, so to eat, let me see if there's anything else. Oh, I've got Jackie Potato. I've got all that Jackie Potato I made. Okay, so to eat, you scroll along your hotbar until you find your food, and then you right click on the food and hold it down and eat, and you might eat 3 or 4 times to fill your whole set of hearts, depending on how far down they've gone. Thanks for watching.